Hello and welcome. I'm Samir Mohammed and I invite you to join me on an extraordinary journey. Look up at the night sky. For millennia, we have gazed upon those points of light, those wandering stars, and wondered about our place among them. We live in a vast cosmic ocean, a solar system brimming with wonders that really defy imagination, a place of fiery giants, icy worlds, and mysteries just waiting to be unraveled. In this video, we will embark on a tour of our celestial home, revealing 10 amazing facts that will reshape your understanding of the worlds that share our sun. Our journey begins where all things in our solar system begin, with the sun. It's not just a bright object in our sky, it is the very heart of our existence. Our star contains 99.8% of all the mass in the entire solar system. Mass creates gravity. It is gravity that warps the fabric of space-time itself, like a heavy bowling ball placed on a trampoline. This is the dance of the cosmos, choreographed by gravity. From the heart of the solar system, we now travel outwards to its undisputed king, the gas giant Jupiter. This colossal world is so large that all the other planets could fit inside it. On its turbulent, cloud-covered surface rages a storm of such epic proportions that it really dwarfs anything we could ever imagine on Earth. We call it the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure system, an anticyclone wedged between two powerful jet streams in Jupiter's atmosphere that are moving in opposite directions. For at least 400 years since humans first pointed telescopes towards Jupiter, we have observed this crimson eye staring back at us from the depths of space. Our journey continues to what is arguably the most beautiful and recognizable planet in our solar system, Saturn. Its magnificent rings have captivated astronomers and dreamers for centuries. If you were to fly a spaceship through them, you would discover they are not solid at all. Instead, they are composed of countless individual particles of ice and rock. These particles are pristine, made mostly of water ice, which is why the rings are so bright and reflective. They are the remnants of comets, asteroids, or perhaps even moons that were shattered by Saturn's immense gravity long ago. While they stretch out for over 280,000 kilometers from the planet, their vertical thickness is in most places only about 10 meters. They are proportionally thinner than a sheet of paper. Let's journey back inward toward the sun, to a planet that is often called Earth's twin, but is, in reality, anything but hospitable. This is Venus. While most planets in our solar system spin on their axis in the same direction, Venus defiantly spins the other way. It rotates clockwise, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. Venus rotates so slowly that a single day on the planet lasts for 243 Earth days. This creates a bizarre paradox. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. One leading theory suggests that Venus may have suffered a colossal impact with a planet-sized object early in its history. Such a cataclysmic collision could have been powerful enough to completely reverse its spin. Our next destination is the red planet Mars. Chief among its geological wonders is a volcano of such monumental scale that it makes our own mountains look like mere hills. It is called Olympus Mons. It stands at a staggering 22 kilometers high. To put that into perspective, it is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's tallest mountain above sea level. It is a shield volcano built up over millions of years by countless flows of very fluid lava. Mars does not appear to have active plate tectonics, allowing continuous volcanic activity at the same location. The summit of Olympus Mons is so high that it pokes out of the thin Martian atmosphere. Standing at its peak, you would be looking down on the weather systems and dust storms of Mars. Let's venture to the innermost planet, Mercury, a world of cosmic whiplash. It endures some of the most extreme temperature swings in the entire solar system. During its long day, the surface heats up to 430 degrees Celsius. But when night falls, because there is no atmosphere to act as a blanket, all that heat radiates away into space almost instantly. An atmosphere acts as a global thermostat, trapping heat and distributing it through winds. Mercury has no such luxury. It is exposed, naked to the cosmos. In a stunning paradox, scientists believe there may be water ice on Mercury. In deep craters near the planet's poles, permanently shadowed regions have remained frozen for billions of years. We now travel to one of the ice giants, Uranus. It is the oddball of the solar system, a planet that has been knocked over on its side. While most planets spin like tops, Uranus rolls along like a ball. Its extreme axial tilt creates seasons unlike anything on Earth. For 21 years, one pole is pointed directly at the sun, while the other is plunged into total darkness. Scientists believe that early in its history, a young Uranus was struck by an Earth-sized protoplanet. This cataclysmic impact was so powerful that it literally knocked the planet over. The current system of rings and moons we see around Uranus may have formed from the debris of this colossal collision, serving as a testament to its chaotic past. Our final planetary stop takes us to Neptune, the dark, cold, and windy world at the edge of the known planetary system. It is home to the fastest winds in the entire solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. To put this in perspective, the most powerful hurricanes on our planet have wind speeds of around 300 kilometers per hour. Neptune's winds are more than 7 times faster. Scientists believe that Neptune has a hot interior core. This internal heat left over from the planet's formation is slowly radiating outwards, creating convection currents that generate extreme winds. These winds create massive storm systems like the Great Dark Spot, a storm the size of Earth. When Hubble looked at Neptune years later, the spot was gone, replaced by new storms elsewhere. For decades, our tour would have ended with Pluto, the 9th planet. But Pluto's story has become one of discovery and reclassification. The story begins with a simple fact: Pluto is incredibly small, smaller than Earth's own moon. As our technology improved, we discovered a new region called the Kuiper Belt, filled with thousands of other small icy bodies. We found some that were similar in size to Pluto. This led to a formal definition of what it means to be a planet in 2006. A planet must orbit the Sun, be rounded by gravity, and have cleared its orbital neighborhood. Pluto meets the first 2 criteria, but not the third. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, promoted to be the king of a new class of worlds. The New Horizons mission revealed Pluto to be a complex and active world, not a planet, but something just as wonderful. Our final chapter expands beyond the planets to their celestial companions, the moons. There are more than 200 known moons orbiting the planets, each one a unique world with its own story. Jupiter has at least 95 moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons. Io is volcanically active, Europa has a subsurface ocean, Ganymede is larger than Mercury, and Callisto is heavily cratered. Saturn's moon Enceladus sprays geysers of water vapor into space from a subsurface ocean, making it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane and ethane on its surface. It's a bizarre, cold reflection of early Earth. Our journey through the solar system must, for now, come to an end. We have traveled from the sun's fiery heart to the icy realm of the dwarf planets, and we have seen that our cosmic neighborhood is more wonderful than we could have ever imagined. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. The quest for knowledge is an endless frontier, and there is so much more to discover together. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, please consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into the wonders of science and the cosmos. What was your favorite fact from our tour? Was it the storm larger than Earth, the backward spinning planet, or the supersonic winds of Neptune? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.